Hello my friends! Today I'm gonna make Chinese cumin lamb pocket bread. Let's get started. I'm using 400 g all-purpose flour, so the warm water is around 65% of the flour. At yeast I used about 1 teaspoon. Add salt in flour, it helps the gluten to form. Then we add the water mixture. We need to stir it as much as we can. Then we start kneading. You might feel the thickness, but don't worry. Let's give the dough 10 minutes rest. After 10 minutes, it became easier to knead. Then we knead it to smooth. Cover it with clean paper and rest for 1 hour. Meanwhile, cut 1 small onion, 1 garlic, 2 red chilies. Cut a handful coriander into 3 cm long. 250 g lamb thigh, remove the fascia. If you want to make the lamb taste tender, slice across the grain of the lamb. Slice the meat into 3 mm thick. After cutting, wash the lamb very well and squeeze out the water. Then add those ingredients to marinate. Massage the meat till it's slightly sticky and coat with oil at the end. Roast 1 teaspoon cumin seeds with low heat. When it's aromatic, we transfer it to the bowl to cool down. Then we grind them to coarse. Oil the hot pan. Then add new oil. Cook the lamb till it's changed color. Set aside. Same pan, add oil and herbs except coriander. After they are soft, add cumin. Cook 10 seconds, we add the lamb. Continue cooking for another 30 seconds. Turn off fire, add coriander, give a quick stir. Then it's done. Now we need to prepare the Chinese oil crisp. Flour and oil ratio should be 1 to 2. Add some flour on the board. Then we deflated the dough. After that, knead the dough till smooth. The whole thing can make 10 bread. Divide the dough and press them to flat. Put some flour on both sides. Then we roll it to a bigger circle. It doesn't have to be very big. Apply a thin layer of oil crisp on the center only. Fold up the edge like making a bun. Before close it, press out the air from the outer circle. Then we pinch close it. Press gently on both sides. When we roll it, start from the center. Roll it like a centered forward and centered backward. Alternately flip to roll. Now we got the oval-shaped bread. Spray some oil on a flat pan. Place the bread and cook for 1 minute. Spray oil on the top side also. Turn it over. Cook another 1 minute. Look at this soft bread. The oil crisp make a good pocket. Finally, we can assemble our sandwiches. Add some lamb in the pocket. Now, time to enjoy.
Good. So good. Yeah. It's amazing. It's very good.
Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.